Hi friends, David here from Learn Stage Lighting, and today, this is exciting, we've got some friends in front of us here. We've got the ADJ MOD STQ, and we've also got the ADJ MOD Barn Doors accessory. And what I want to do is, first in this video, we're going to unbox it, okay? I've got my knife ready, and we're going to go ahead, show you what all you get with this light, and then in the next video, we're going to show you how to put it together and really review it and show you why the MOD STQ has really become a big pick for us for a lot of situations where people are looking for a good LED par light. So here we've got the STQ first of all, and then a set of barn doors that can go on front of it to help control the light. Comes in a box that looks like this from ADJ. Yes, I did buy it. Yes, we are a dealer. Yes, we can get it for you and get you personalized pricing over at Learn Stage Lighting Gear. But these are all my own opinions. So in the box you get a PowerCon cable. This one's nice too. It's long, which is pretty sweet. So we've got that. I'm actually going to leave that wrapped up just because we do sell these as B stock after the reviews, and I'll just use a different PowerCon cable. I usually get a white PowerCon through plug, which is interesting. More often than not with fixtures that have PowerCons and PowerCon throughputs on the back, this gray PowerCon, you're on your own to go buy other cables, and that's totally fine and honestly normal. It's kind of interesting that they do give you one though, so you could build your own cable. You get the little ADJ RFC remote for some RF control as well, the manual, and then most importantly, in here are some diffusers, okay? So we'll get into this in the review, but this is what makes the mod pretty cool, is that it comes with a few different diffusers for different situations. Back to the unboxing. So you get the unit itself, cased in foam, real nice and secure. In the bag in case it sits on your doorstep and gets all wet. Hopefully it'll be fine then. Okay, so this is the MOD STQ. What we like about it, okay, it's a metal case, really pretty nicely built. Of course, the metal makes it so it's not super light, but it's not heavy. Check the specs page for info there. We really like clicky buttons on the back. That's great. It's well built. It's got the power come through, DMX3 and 5-pin. Okay, flipping it around to the front, and I don't think it has any fans either. We'll verify that in a minute. Flipping around to the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 LEDs, little thumb screws for the accessories, including our friend here, the barn doors. So the barn doors on these are just an accessory that can go on the front of the MOD STQ. Okay, you can put them on. They come in white and black, as does the fixture itself. They come with these little tiny screws, and then what you do is you open it up like so. It'll go on the front of the unit. You line it up real nice, and then the screws actually come in from the side to the unit itself, and then they tighten down. So you can still, this is actually really cool. Back in the old days, back, before LEDs were popular, we would put barn doors, these guys, on conventional par type fixtures. It wasn't always easy to get the color gel or diffusion to change them out. You kind of slide them in a slot on the back. Sometimes the safety cables and stuff would get in the way. Having something that actually just, for an LED fixture, it makes sense to me that it just fits on the unit and screws in and is permanent. Because if you're going to use barn doors on these, that's in more stage wash type applications, then you're going to use them all the time. If you're using these as like uplights, then you're probably not going to use the barn door, and so you'll never put these on. They are an added accessory, but they're not expensive. Okay, and they're really nicely built, honestly. With the old school pars that we used to have, the incandescent stuff, you would find there would be a lot of really floppy barn doors. There is a sticker on the barn door that kind of annoys me, but it can come off. All right, so That's the mod STQ in a nutshell, the basic unboxing. Typical of an LED fixture, you can loosen the knobs here and split out this double yoke, which is going to allow you to put that on the floor. I do appreciate, I geek out about yoke designs, and this one is a good yoke design because it snaps together and it doesn't allow the yokes to pass each other, which, you know, isn't essential, but it's kind of nice. It's a really heavy-duty yoke as well. A lot of times yokes are cheaper. I don't always care, especially if it's permanently installed. But honestly, you know, this is a unit that for a while, just based on seeing it at trade shows and looking at the capabilities it has, we've had a lot of folks at Learn Stage Lighting Gear go ahead with these and have really great success with them. And that's why I'm excited to review it, which is our next video. So check that out here on the end screen. Be sure to subscribe here to Learn Stage Lighting Gear if you're new. And if you're looking for any lights, let us know. Hop over to LearnStageLightingGear.com. Whether this or anything else will get you a personalized quote in your inbox, and we do it pretty quick. We think you'll be happy, and we would love to have you and earn your business if you buy lights. Thanks so much, and have a great day. See ya.